The world is changing fast. Things that seemed impossible just a few years ago are now real. From brain chips to flying electric planes, today we're counting down 10 mind-blowing things that happened for the first time in history. Welcome to the Firsts channel. Let's dive in. First, 3D printed heart. What if we could print human organs? Well, in 2019, scientists from Tel Aviv University successfully 3D printed a small human heart using real human cells. It's still in early stages, but in the future, this could revolutionize organ transplants. First, human brain chip implant. Neuralink, founded by Elon Musk, implanted its first brain chip into a human in 2024. This chip allows people to control computers with their thoughts, opening new possibilities for treating paralysis and even merging humans with AI. First electric passenger plane. We already have electric cars, but what about electric planes? In 2019, the fully electric Alice aircraft completed its first successful test flight. This could be the start of zero-emission air travel. First, invisible material. Is an invisibility cloak possible? In 2019, Hyperstealth Biotechnology Corp. developed quantum stealth, a material that bends light, making objects behind it nearly invisible. Military and stealth technology might never be the same. First space hotel. Would you stay in a hotel in space? Orbital Assembly Corporation is planning to open Voyager Station in 2027, the world's first space hotel. Soon, you could book a room with a view of planet Earth. First self-learning AI. AI is getting smarter than ever. In 2020, OpenAI's GPT-3 became the first AI model capable of self-learning without direct human programming. Could this be the next step towards super-intelligent machines? First 100% renewable energy country. Fossil fuels might soon be history. In 2015, Costa Rica became the first country to power its entire electricity grid using only renewable energy. Could other nations follow its lead? First underwater city plans. Living underwater might not be just for sea creatures. Japan's Shimizu Corporation revealed plans for Ocean Spiral, the world's first underwater city, designed to house people beneath the ocean. First wooden satellite. A satellite made of wood? Japan's Kyoto University and Sumitomo Forestry developed Lignosat, the world's first wooden satellite. It will burn up completely upon re-entry, reducing space debris. First human head transplant. This one is wild. Italian surgeon Dr. Sergio Canavero announced plans for the world's first human head transplant. While it hasn't happened yet, if successful, it could be the most controversial medical breakthrough ever. The future is happening right now. Which of these firsts shocked you the most? Drop a comment below and let's talk. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible discoveries. See you in the next one!